my gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Festive season started and we have lot of beautiful, lovely, pretty colors and concept, unique designs in Shivani's Boutique. Whoever here locally can come to our boutique and just collect your choice of color combinations and everything. And these are especially for our online clients. So let's start the show. See, these are all exclusive ranges, right from like 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 ranges. And what is the special of this product is these are all pure hand embroideries, pure silk by cotton fabric, handloom ones, and we have got pure organza dupatta. So all are pure, and there could be no machine embroideries, only ari works, hand works and embroideries kind of. Alright, let me start the show. See this. Whoever is looking for something really unique and exclusive can go for this. And guys, this is your episode. See this. So you can find heavy hand embroideries on the neck, and then this is the pant for this, and this comes with the organza dupatta. So this is how it is. Such a nice, all are pure ones, and it's a festive collection for Diwali, for puja, for anything as you wish, for your birthdays. And I have got two nice colors. This is an aqua green color, and the work is all over hand work. And I have got this is the pant. It's a muslin pant, and this comes with a nice, pretty, pure organza dupattas. Whoever is looking for pure one, something exclusive, guys, this is your episode. www.shivanisboutique.com is our website, or else 95855011762. You can WhatsApp and place your orders directly as well. And see this. So this is once again the top. You can find what a nice embroidery. You can find mirror works. It's a pure mirror all over the top, on the neck, and this is the pant for this. And once again, it's a cotton kota doria with zari borders on both the sides. So best look. See this, how it looks, and the fabric is a silk cotton. It gives its own sheen, and it's pretty awesome. And then my next color in that is this. I have got three beautiful colors in the same concept. See this. All are nice English colors. So it's during nights you can wear such colors. During the day also you can wear however you wanted to. And this is the kota doria dupatta for this. Let me open and show. Guys, I have got pretty beautiful collections in this. Please sit back, relax and enjoy our show. If you are liking something, you can purchase from my website www.shivanisboutique.com. If you have any difficulties, you can WhatsApp 95855011762. So this is the third color in this. And this is the pant, and this comes with an amazing shaded kota doria dupatta. See this. Our next collection is this. These two, such a beautiful tissue, and this tissue is really lightweight. You can see the transparency of the tissue by silk. Lovely, it is so nice and elegant. Really, it's a lightweight, and you can find beautiful hand embroideries. And this is the pant for this, and this comes with the chiffon dupatta. The dupattas are really pure and amazing. And the second color is this pista green color. See this, so nice and elegant. You can find a beautiful sheen, and you can find floral designs as well. It's a tissue by silk fabric, and this is the top pant for this, and nice pussycat chiffon dupatta where you can find beautiful embroidery patch on it. And my next design is this. See this. All are hand embroidery, pure fabric. Whoever is looking for pure one, something really exclusive, this is your episode. See, this color combination is pretty great. And the work done are really awesome. See this. Nice, simple, sober, but still it gives you a elegant, festive look. And once again, it's a pure organza dupatta, shaded one. See this. Nice and fine and pretty gorgeous. All my gorgeous can go for this. And then see this. And once again, it's a simple decent dresses, these are all, so that you can wear it for nth number of time at your office, at your work from home. It all depends on our mood, for a small little function, tea parties, get together, however, everything. This fabric suits a lot. It's my personal experience as well. And then see this little bit of heavy ones. The fabric is really awesome in this, and I've got one, and then two, and then three beautiful colors. It's a Gaza pink color. It's a satin fabric. See the fabric, the richness of the fabric and the richness of the work. Everything is so beautiful in this. And this comes with the sleeve. Let me show the pant, and then see the dupatta. Dupatta is so nice and elegant. See this, you can find a minute this thing, borders in this. So see, this work is so nice and the fabric is really awesome. And I've got beautiful colors. One is a gazer, this is a green color, Bengal gram green color, and then golden mustard yellow color. So these are the three different colors. And then once again, it's a satin fabric. The work of perfect hand woven, and the material is also pure ones. So this is how it looks, and this is for sleeves on both the sides. And then this is the pant for this. You see this, what a bright red color. Red color, such a nice red color it is. Chiffon dupatta, and you can find minute handwork on one side. Alright, and then see, this is my tissue fabric with hand woven and hand work on both the dresses. This is a golden color. See this, nice tissue. It's very lightweight as well. And this is the pant for this, and this is the organza dupatta. So nice and fine. It's basically a very minute silk cotton dupatta. It's not organza, it looks like organza, but it's a silk cotton dupatta. So beautiful and really lightweight as well. The second color is this, and once again this is the color combination. The work is really beautiful. You can find how beautiful the work is. And then comes once again our satin fabric. See, these are all the two different colors I have. See this nice beautiful design. So this is how it is. Hope you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it is. And once again, this is the pant for this, and this comes with the chiffon dupatta. The products are all pure ones, and hand embroidery. And dupatta is also a pure chiffon dupatta. So see, this festive collection. Whoever looking for something really good and great can go for this. And this is the dupatta for this. I love this collection personally because it's so mind-blowing. See, this is chiku based patchwork as well as hand embroidery, Banarasi woven fabric it is. The fabric is really lightweight, and this is the pant, and this is the dupatta. What are the advantage of the fabric is, it's even if it is hand woven and hand embroideries are done, it's really lightweight and easy to carry as well. It's a silk cotton woven dupatta. And what's next? See this half white beauties. One, first, second, and then these are all the half white beauties. It's a Banarasi handloom top with a beautiful work on the neck, and this is the pant for this. And once again I have got organza dupattas. So see this, how nice, pretty, great looking, something really sober, subtle but still majestic look, especially these whites. Second color, and then the third color is this. The combination slightly differs, pink, pale blue, pale yellow in that. Once again, see my whites, two different whites. Let me open this bright white. It's a silk cotton fabric. These are all like embroideries on the top, and then this is the pant. This is a Kota Doria dupatta, cotton dupatta. Cotton dupatta is really lightweight. You can find all batik kind of printed on the dupattas. And once again I have got one more color. See this? Nice, beautiful color it is. So nice and pretty looking fabrics. Next comes our silk cotton fabric with handwork all over, make in India concept with a human touch. So this is the first design. See this orange color. So this is the top with a nice subtle decent handwork. You can find this, and this is the pant for this. Once again it's a dupatta. This is a silk cotton crushed dupatta. So nice, and really it is very lightweight as well. And I've got beautiful colors in this, gazer pink color and then golden yellow color. So this is the concept. And the next comes this. This is also a hand embroidery silk cotton fabric. See, you can find such a subtle milk rose color. Nice happy color it is. And then once again this is the pant for this, and the dupatta is this. Dupattas are really mind blowing, and it's a Kota Doria dupatta. See this. It's very lightweight and airy as well, where I have got pretty good collections colors in this. It's a yellow color. So this is how it looks with this dupatta. And then the third color is this radium green color. So this is how it looks. Alright, and then I have two more designs. Sit back, relax and enjoy our show. See, this is once again hand embroidery ari work on the this thing top, and see, this is the pant for this, and it's a multicolored organza dupatta. See this, so nice and fine, and these stripes are into actually trend, and with this multicolored dupatta is actually into trend. And the second color is this. Okay, I have got two colors in this, and see this, 1, 2, this is the next design. So it's a pale ash color with a beautiful neck pattern on it, and this is the pant for this, and once again this is the dupatta for this. All pretty beautiful looking dupatta. And then the second color is this, such a nice color. So the color itself is so pleasing and beautiful. And my last fabric is this. It's a satin fabric. See the embroideries on it. This fabric as such, it is so nice and bright, and it gives you a sheen, a festive look as well. And this is the pant for this, and once again this is the dupatta for this. And the second color is this. I'll open and show so that you can understand. So this work itself is enough. See this work itself is enough, and this is the pant for this. And once again this is the chiffon pussycat dupatta. The dupatta is so nice and very lightweight as well. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. www.shivanisboutique.com is our website ID, or else 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number, so that you can connect with us, or else you can make a video call. You can fix appointment and make a video call with us if you want to see these exclusive collections. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of beautiful collections. Stay tuned with Shivani's Boutique.